Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Jamie Carragher don't come as second advice Mikel Arteta say if na him be Arteta, so what he go do? He say go focus on the EPL. So he no go really pay much attention to the Europa League, because once you Arteta go understand, we say Europa League is going to always be there again. You can always fight for it. But the opportunity we Arsenal gets for the EPL as of this season, where Arsenal give Man City like 5-point gap, they get one outstanding match, and they gap United with like 11 points, and get one outstanding match for their head. Imagine all the points gap just like 20-something points, gap Liverpool like 20-something points. So all those opportunities may not come next season, May, with emphasis on the May, because next season if it still come, that's what we talk about last season. We talk say this season go dey harder. This is what happen. Even now with the lead, everybody they falter. Next season, because expectedly people go, they go re-strengthen again. All those kind of Liverpool, they go re-strengthen well. All those injury problems don't go there again. All those kinds of Jota will never really play for this season. We get injury. All those Luis Diaz, we get injury. It really affects their own style of play again. So all these little things that Baba they talk say make we focus on the EPL. So I don't know whether I wanna subscribe to in line of thoughts, because for me, I go say this is our season. Forget more the pursue on all fronts. Time go reach up, so we'll come guys decide. Say okay, are we looking at the league or are we looking at the Europa League? Because you know, so you need to pursue cat and rat at the same time. If you go fail at the end of the day, if you don't even get anyone, so when the time reach, we will decide. No be now. It gets we kind of say I just guys decide. No be now. It gets both will play now. We know where our level reach, and as long as say the two games no con dey like within each other, because I don't know how it will be, and as we don't sign some kind of players, don't get some kind of squad depth. I think you can rest Martinelli, play Trossard, all those kind of things. Before you know now, Jesus go don't come back. Before you know Nelson go don't come back. You can rest Saka, play Nelson. No, we'll manage. See, as a big team, if you want to win multiple competitions, like go see Man City now, they will win cup, they will win this one, they will win league, win treble, all those kind of things. So, I mean, at the same number of players within the use, so we'll manage. We'll get that stage. We'll cross the bridge. So that's I don't know what to think. I mean, let me know for the comment section. So away from that, so Odegaard come and say talk say then they very happy with the new signings we Arteta make. All those kind of Kiwior, Trossard, say they like all those guys, and they're gonna make emphasis say Trossard even played a role in the third goal scored against Manchester United. And once we let everybody understand, say this season is still very long to get, so we need all the help we can get. Even with say Arsenal see they consider to bring one more midfielder, like a defensive midfielder, whether they don't bring this Onana you get of Everton. So I don't know how that one they go. So more just to watch as everything. Once Chelsea said they're interested in that Onana, Arsenal said they're interested, and because of that Everton financial crisis, and they don't sack their manager and they did the relegation battle, that was why Dan Juma even leave them after doing medical and doing media duties. Go join Tottenham Hotspur. So Arsenal said we say okay, Mo go that job like shop right now. Just go there, pick what you want, pick, pay for the player. So Mo just this way that Arsenal will really bring somebody before the window will end. News open a year from BBC Sports. Now the fact say for Uganda, say police arrest Arsenal fans. They will do procession, they carry trophy, they do procession after Arsenal beats Manchester United on Sunday. So it is a pity. Say police say now disorderly conduct, they don't get the permission to conduct that procession. And so say police they fear that maybe rival clashes, like as Arsenal they do the procession, as the Man U fans pick on clash, then they'll come fight. I don't know the meat of the story, but I just saw it online again. So it is unfortunate. I just hope they will release those guys, because they'll be part of our family. They are Arsenal fans again. So but they all release them, I beg. They no cause any disorderly conduct, so they just free them, I beg. So many people don't ask questions about the yellow card resets again, because 19 games don't pass now. So it is true, the yellow cards don't reset. All those kind Saliba, all those kind Saka for yellow cards, the Brongales, everybody will get yellow card. It don't reset now, because we are facing the second stanza. You get, so now we say don't reset. So more just see I go. Maybe they not just to collect plenty, may not go accumulate. But what is shock me like the fact that we don't collect for yellow card. We can't use that for yellow card. Play like 4-5 games, you get, and we don't collect any extra card for those guys. We don't collect 4 already. Like the discipline was there, and even though they play tough games, even the North London derby, those we collect 4 no really collect extra. This Arsenal team, the discipline don't need it. When I know say discipline don't for this team now, when Granit Xhaka changed from being an aggressor to very player who dey very humble. And then I know say Arteta gets influence on this team. Like he come get one video I watch yesterday for ESPN 2019 when Arteta first enter Arsenal, where they kind of talk about in philosophy, what he want to do for the team. Anybody they bring negative attitude, you find your square root. Like the guy was talking a lot that say the team don't say won't come with Man City last week, come play for Arsenal. Say see the fans, no bonding, nothing. Fans are not involved. Everywhere is toxic. Like fast forward to this today now. Go watch that Manchester United match. You see the way Arsenal fans they chant. Like I even the yesterday Arsenal and get the highest ticket money for England. Our ticket cost fast. Imagine paying so much to go and watch a football and you end up shouting at the top of your lungs and cracking your voice before you go back home because of joy. That's not too much, I beg. So away from that, so one of our senior man for this community, they call Mudiaga Ogenegweke. So Baba just comes and says, "CHUKS, send me your answer because I support the ministry with everything with the sub you get." So say that time I talk say fuel scarcity 1 say you know easy to buy black market too. So Baba just say okay, send me your answer. So Baba send me 5k yesterday. So say Baba you wait to see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah, amen. We really appreciate your kind generosity. So thanks, boss. Game out. Our Spezia chief said don't come and call the talk say Kiwior sale to Arsenal. Say he did very good. So you don't put their team for spotlight. Say what's the team they let other people do for the team. They say from Spezia you can move to Arsenal because Arsenal is one of the big weights in England and Spezia normal people go to look Spezia like one kind of small team for the Italian Serie A. So Baba the talk say not be only for the Stadio Olimpico or for the San Siro nine good players dey. So good players sell for Spezia. If say Kiwior no good, say Arsenal can sign her. No, that's because the guy is very good and very young. He fits the style of play. Now then buy him 2 million. 2 million and buy the guy because sell the guy 20 million to Arsenal and if he raise with add-ons. And Babaka the talk say another team say they even add a sell-on clause, which means if Arsenal end up selling this guy in the future to whoever, maybe Man City, Real Madrid or whoever they want to sell him to, then we'll get a little percentage. Though the percentage they undisclosed. You know what tell us the percentage, but you let everybody know say they get a good deal. Like they are very happy with the deal. They get sign a player for 2 million and sell for 20 million. A big money for them. As it's good for them, it's good for us, and it's good for the player. So nothing so. Our cut offside self come and second let us know say Arsenal dey in pole position to sign Ivan Fresneda. Now this Ivan Fresneda deal, it is somehow complicated. Some other sources they quote say that Dortmund dey in pole position to sign the guy. Oh, I know just understand. If they don't sell him to Dortmund, make the guy go. If you want join us, I mean join us. After all, don't be say we will sign him, they can't join us now. We will sign him, we'll still look him back to River to lead men go play for them. So if he join Dortmund, it no affect us in any way. IS for summer, we will cool down, look for a player who will sign again. So we still get Ben White, we still get Tomiyasu for that right back, and two of them they did very solid. All of us will happen for Manchester United now. Maybe them come out Ben White, Tommy enter everywhere, everything change. You get that fear when they fear, when Ben White they fear to mark Rashford because of the yellow card they don't get. When they go get red card, now cause scatter everything. Tomiyasu just enter, solidify everywhere. This goes to show that Arteta is very observant. Now the thing we talk for the media space, we talk for the pre-match, for the halftime analysis, say Ben White no do this game. He's scared because he don't get a look at. Arteta has to take him out. We don't say they go take him out. We don't say they don't take him out already. Making match starts. Commentator tell us say Tomiyasu is coming in. Now that time I will say Arteta is a tactician. This Arteta, Stuvenberg will be the deputy coach. Two of them, Swally, they game out. Our ranking said now come and say I call the talk say Edin Ketia they remind them of Ian Wright. Say the guy they very sharp. Say the guy now be the real definition of a fox in the box. Even Sky Sports can they analyze Edin Ketia and Gabriel Jesus. Can they talk about their similarities? Can they talk say the reason we make Edin Ketia don't score 6 goals in his last 6 starts for Arsenal ever since Gabriel Jesus get injury. Yes, he has 6 goals in the last 6 games for Arsenal ever since Edin Ketia and Jesus get injury. Say now because Edin Ketia they always stay for the box. They always stay near that 18. Whereas Gabriel Jesus they drift go wide. Gabriel Jesus no they really stay for that box 18. That's why the goal return of Gabriel Jesus they very low. But they can't check other similarities like other statistics of Gabriel Jesus. When it comes to chances created, take-ons, Gabriel Jesus they ahead of Edin Ketia. Like saying they create chances for other people, and saying they take people one-on-one, like draw like 3 defenders when say like dribble, throw pass, all those kind of things. They refuse to do and mock. Like 2 of them, they get their different attributes. They are different type of players. They bring different things to the table. That is why people they talk say when Jesus come back, he should just come straight to the level where or whether Nketiah will stay there. But the question now is, what do you want? You want a player that scores the goals, because you can't just say big chances created and Nketiah the finisher. Many big chances created for Jesus, he couldn't finish it. Like so many things they, but I don't know. Now Arteta will decide at the end of the day, because me I know if he talks say make they start Jesus or make they start Nketiah. Even though form will talk say make they start Nketiah because he's scoring at the moment, but you can't still rule out what Jesus brings to the table by dragging defenders, all those take-ons. How many times you go say Nketiah dribble like 1 player, dribble 2 players, all those kinds of Jesus they do. It is hard to get, so but just see how we accommodate 2 of them, but it don't go bad. One of them there for bench, at least if one don't tire, you bring the other one, make continue from when the other one stops. So this is what it is. Our one can will be Arsenal legends. They don't come they back Arsenal to win their first title since 2023-2024. All those kind 19 years ago, where they win title last. So back on to say it is time. It is the right time for Arsenal to win it now. Like it is our time, you guess, because they play this season. Like we shock a lot of people. Expect us to falter. A lot of people expect Man City to win the league, but they've not won it. So by the praise us, the talk say this is our time. Well, more just the scene. I won't pray be that. But I don't say Champions League. Shola, you get. But the remain are just to win the league. So more just the watcher. So away from that, so Fabrizio Romano don't come as I call it, let us know say Arsenal they get conversation with Moses Caicedo representatives, and Caicedo don't change agents now. He has a new agent now. Never this 1 week said get new agents. So Arsenal and Chelsea now they discuss with the guy. So Arsenal they really say maybe if you carry the guy, may come join us now. We never really know how this conversation will end. Fabrizio Romano say Arsenal they talk with them. Liverpool said they talk with them. Nobody Chelsea they involved in this guy. The guy could do. So Arsenal, Liverpool, and Chelsea now they discuss with the guy, but I never know where the guy will go at the end of the day. So look with just the what you get. Arsenal also wants sign Zubimendi of Real Sociedad. This guy is also very good in the middle of the pack. So but that one talk saying go wait till the summer before he go join us. And nobody they mention Yuri Tillemans. Where is he in the scheme of things? I don't really know now. So we'll just monitor all these things. And don't forget say Onana self waiting for Everton. He did for the mix, for the defensive midfield mix. Don't forget say Sergei Milinkovic Savic. Like there are a lot of players that we can go for. You get, but everything will be very easy if we don't secure Champions League football. Then for the third person say Declan Rice, Alpha, come join us. Instead of the mix, that one go wrong, come join. Even say at the end say Declan Rice say don't give Arsenal in word, saying go come sign for us. But we all know that his players' word can change at any time when they down good money for their front. So let's just keep watching. On Sky Jam, they let us know say Real Madrid they offer 100 million euros and Eduardo Camavinga to Dortmund. They get for this Jude Bellingham. She been at the Real Madrid where they talk say Jude Camavinga get future there. Now just say they won't use them for the swap deal where they want to collect this Jude Bellingham, because once Jude Bellingham don't enter there is no way where Camavinga will even see a space, because Camavinga did there, Jude Bellingham will come did there, Chouameni will come did there, all those Toni Kroos will come did there. Come on now, you can't use all these people. I love them at DM because the attacking role now. Look, Amori don't fill up that place, so I don't know how all these things will go. Don't forget Casemiro left. They got Camavinga, they got Chouameni, and those guys are 2 young DMs, good, very good players. So it will do Camavinga a whole lot of good to come join Arsenal and make history, yeah. But if it feels that they won't stay, maybe they won't send them out to Germany. It depends on whether the players have been interested in going to Dortmund. So I don't know, how can you move from Rennes to Real Madrid and back to Dortmund? That's like going a step lower now. Instead, it comes to Arsenal, where we say we are still high up there in a competitive league. You get, so well, we'll just watch as everything will end. Now, Bosco Steph, don't come as I call it. Let us know say Leandro Trossard is a very great signing for Arsenal. I guess say one thing people understand, say most players go into a club as a new player and don't hit the ground running. But in Trossard's case, he's strengthening the team. Say when they come out Martinelli for that Manchester United match, come put in Trossard. Say Trossard no weaken the team. Instead, he added more strength and energy and dynamism to the team. He gets, contrary to what a lot of people expect. Say maybe as we lose Mudryk, so we no go fit get a better player. God's so kind, the guy just became available. You get out of nothing, just became available, and we can't sign him again. So we are enjoying everything. The guy, like Arteta talk, is very versatile, and the guy play like Alexis Sanchez. Like It's a bit dribble, a bit plays, a bit see all those small pockets instead of display. But that man, so we are very happy with him. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click up so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.